Let's ride. All right. So, finally bringing y'all a video. I know I said I'd be trying to upload at least once a week, but unfortunately I couldn't make that happen. Been trying to get this camera set up and this microphone to work. For some reason I couldn't get the positioning right. Now got it all set up. What it is, we here live in the flesh. Palm Beach County, South Florida. Actually on the way to the store right now. Thought I might record a quick little intro video. So let's get into it. For starters, my name is Justin. I do live in the South Florida area. This is my 2013 Yamaha R6. Yes, sir. I've had it roughly about 7 or 8 months now. I've rode bikes in the past. I love motorcycles. And I've always wanted to do YouTube. And I recently bought this bike not too long ago, so I was like, well, let's start a motovlog channel. Seems like it fits for me. So, here we are. And would you look at that? I'm just now getting to the store. Gotta love the motorcycle parking anywhere. I park on all sidewalks in front of my destination. Gotta love it. Alrighty, I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get out of the store. Let's get it. Alright, I'm done at the store. So, let's get on with the video. Just had to pick up a few essentials, but we out. Take the long way home so I can get some more footage. Don't want it to be too short of a video, but yeah. So yeah, back to what I was saying. For most that don't know about me, I already stated my name, where I'm at. This is South Florida. Gotta love it. Sunshine State with bipolar rain. Yeah, like I was saying, this is my R6. Beautiful bike, great bike. Love this bike. Treated me nothing but well. I've done everything on this bike. Windscreen. I've done the flush mount turn signals in the front. I did the integrated taillight, fender delete. I have the M4 GP exhaust on here with no catalytic converter, so basically straight pipe, but not a full M4 titanium system, just the titanium cat delete, and then the M4 slip-on. What she sounds like. I love this pipe. This pipe is astronomically, sounds great. I highly recommend the M4 GP. For for anybody on an R6. Makes this motor sound wonderful. On here, that might be my next step. I already have the tune for it, just need to get the quick shifter put on. It's not the most cost friendly thing to do right now, but I know a lot of people that ride motorcycles are telling me so I might buy into the hype and go get a quick shifter put on, but other than that, we're staying how she is. I have no problems shifting this bike manually. I like it. But for those that are just starting out riding, R6, great bike. I wouldn't start on the 300. You grow out of that power. You could always start out with a 600, even if you're not comfortable with this much power. I mean, for me, it's a decent amount of power. I would love to get a 1000, which most likely might be my next bike, either the R1M or the BMW S1000 RR. But for beginner riders, I wouldn't start on a 350 or a 300. You can't add more power, so might as well spend the extra $3,000, $3,000 to get you a 600. Could always be easy with the power. You don't have to go full balls to the wall until you get comfortable with it, but $300, there's a great limit. I believe it tops out at like 100 miles an hour. With a 600, you get up to 160. I'm not saying anybody's out there going to 160 unless we're in, you know, Mexico. Wink, wink. But that's for the cops watching this. But I will have plenty of new videos coming for y'all soon. Now that I got my whole setup done, I'm gonna try to stick to my schedule of one video a week. It's gonna be kind of hard. I do work a full-time 40-hour job, and we mainly work on equestrian properties, and pretty soon we are gonna be picking up on some work, so I might have to work Saturdays as well. But hey, I like the overtime. I like what I'm doing for a job. It's actually very intriguing, a lot to learn, and I'm a learner. I like to learn. I like to take on new things, learn a couple things. You're not working if you ain't learning, you know what I mean? No, but on a real note, we are going to be uploading videos at least once a week. Try to, at least. Don't hold me accountable, but hold me accountable. Yeah, but that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't skimp out on the likes, the comments, or the subscribers. You know, we need the subscribers. That's one of the main things. My first goal, most likely going to be 1,000 subs. I am going to try to do giveaways here and there for every mark reached on my channel. But like I said, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We out!